Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear, of course. All we have to do right now is to open the settings, and in this configuration and in this position of the device, we have to take a look at this option bar on the left, and the first option from the top is the settings. So let's tap on them, and here we've got the option Restore Defaults. So let's tap and confirm it with tapping on yes. And as you can see, there we've got our camera. The green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.